The United States quietly donated to Ukraine at least one, and probably several, of its most powerful armored breaching vehicles. November 3 is Missile Forces and Artillery and Engineering Troops Day in Ukraine. Official photos from Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's commemoration of the day feature an impressive array of combat engineering equipment. The equipment includes an American-made assault breacher, a 55-ton mine and obstacle-clearing vehicle with the armored hull of an M1 tank, an attachment for a British-made mine plow or dozer blade, and launchers for mine-clearing explosive line charges. The two-person crew of a $4 million assault breacher can dig up and safely detonate buried mines, fill in trenches and excavate anti-tank berms, and then mark, with tiny flags, a safe lane for tanks and fighting vehicles to speed through the breach. And the crew can do all of this without leaving the protection of its thickly armored vehicle. There are many types of engineering vehicles that can conduct a breach. As Russia widened its war on Ukraine in February 2022, Ukrainian engineers already had Soviet-built vehicles with breaching capabilities. And as the war ground into its second year and Ukrainian forces prepared to go on the offensive across southern Ukraine, Kyiv's allies donated scores more breaching vehicles, including the best Finnish, Norwegian and South Korean models. The American assault breacher weirdly was missing from official lists of pledged equipment, however. While the Americans donated to Ukraine large consignments of engineering and support vehicles, they seemingly left out the assault breacher. This despite the U.S. Army recently inheriting scores of ex-U.S. Marine Corps assault breachers, all of which should be surplus to Army requirements. The assault breacher, or ABV, is one of the best protected and most versatile breaching vehicles. A pair of the vehicles can do the same work that might require 4, 5 or 6 less versatile vehicles such as mine clearers, bulldozers and excavators. Commanders on the ground say that the assault breacher provides better protection than the equipment they are currently using or have been using, and that it reduces the number of vehicles at the point of breach, said Randall Flack, a director with Pearson, the British firm that manufactures the assault breacher's plows. Lance Corporal Jonathan Murray, a marine assault breacher mechanic, said the vehicle can clear a minefield 10 times faster than dismounted engineers can do by hand. Without specifically announcing it, the Americans shipped at least one, and probably at least 6, a company's worth, assault breachers to Ukraine. It's likely the White House lumped the breaching vehicles into the vague category of mine-clearing equipment in its periodic announcements regarding military aid to Ukraine. The need is clear.